Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'll be sharing the recipe for plantain fry. This is a great side dish for sambar and rasam or even curd rice. It goes along with chapatis as well. So let's quickly go ahead and check out what are the ingredients required. Here I have taken 2 plantain. Before you go ahead and chop it, grease your palm and the knife which you use for chopping with some oil because plantain are generally sticky. So by greasing your palm and the knife, it becomes easier to chop the plantain. Firstly, chop the edges of the plantain and discard it, and then cut it into 2 halves, and then using a peeler, peel the plantain. Plantain is a type of banana, but then they are larger in size than the bananas and they have a thicker skin. And plantains aren't consumed raw. They must be cooked before consumption. They are either boiled, sautéed, fried or baked before consumption. So it's treated more like a vegetable than a fruit. Here I'm slicing it, neither too thin nor too thick. Once done, transfer them into a bowl of water just to prevent discoloration or oxidation. These are all the ingredients to be ground into a smooth paste. So let's transfer them into a blender. Along with it goes chili powder according to your preference, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and then add in about 2 to 3 tablespoons of water and grind this into a smooth paste. Here I have a pan into which I'm adding in about 3 tablespoons of oil, and once the oil is hot, let's go ahead and add in about 1/2 teaspoon of mustard and 1 tablespoon of Urad Dal. Once the mustard splutters and the Urad Dal turns golden brown, add in a few curry leaves. And once the curry leaves also get fried in the oil for some time, go ahead and add in the ground masala. Also add in the required quantity of salt. Give everything a good mix and then go ahead and add in the plantain. Now mix again so that every slice of the plantain is covered with the masala, and then cover and cook for at least 15 minutes or until the plantain is cooked well. You can check for the same by inserting a knife or any sharp object into a slice of plantain. Once done, remove it off the flame and reserve it for later use. Here I've taken a frying pan and added some oil, and once the oil is hot, let's go ahead and add in the cooked plantain and shallow fry it. Your scrumptious plantain fry is ready to be served. So I hope you'll give this recipe a try and enjoy it with your family. And I hope you like this video of mine as much as I enjoyed making it for you. So if you did, please do not forget to click on that like button. And if you're new to my channel, I'm very glad to have you here. Please do not leave without clicking on that subscribe button and the bell icon beside it, so as to stay updated of all the new videos which I post here. So until I see you all the next time, eat healthy, eat homemade, and stay positive. Take care. Bye-bye.